Okay guys, just open settings application, then select connected devices. Okay, then scroll up, then you can see there's an option of Android Auto. Open it. Then the first option is start startup. Click on that. Start auto Android Auto automatically. Just tap on that menu. Then you can see there is three options: always, and if used on the last drive, and default set by the vehicle. So you can set different types of automatic startings of Android Auto. It's very useful whenever you set it to the third one. That's decided by your car auto play nito Android Auto system. So it is very useful. You can just adjust these things and these settings, and you can also set that if you use the last drive. If you use last drive, then if you connected this, automatically start Android Auto. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.